Morning to everyone, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video I just want to show you how you can connect your laptop with your smart TV, any smart TV wirelessly. See here, this is the laptop placed here and there is the TV, and I'll change another tab. In the previous video I have explained how to connect your laptop TV using HDMI cable. In this video, in this particular video, see the same video is now playing on the TV also. Okay, I'll be just your TV as the okay. Now both the TV and laptop is getting mirrored. The screen mirror, the exact screen what you are seeing is through wireless connection. Okay, this is my desktop and I have shown you how you can give the slideshow and how you can keep these widgets on your desktop just like this. You can find the link in the description. Find the link in the description for this tutorial, how to you can keep these widgets on your home screen. Yeah, coming back, now it is wireless. How you can do that? This can be worked on any smart TV. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open your Chrome on your laptop. So I just open my Chrome, open the new tab, and at right top corner click on the three dots here, then reach to a point where you will see cast, save and share. What this cast is not highlighted on your laptop. Then what you need to do is you need to open YouTube here. You open YouTube and try to play any video for that matter, any video, and now you will get this cast highlighted. Okay, cast, and click on this cast here, and as soon as you click on the cast here, your TV will be automatically redirected here and it will ask you for the sources. Instead of saying cast tab, you need to click on cast screen. Cast tab in the sense only the current tab will be get mirrored here. So do one thing, select screencast and select the TV ones. Okay, as it is already selected, it is not get selected. Maybe I'll just click on the stop once. As soon as I click on the stop, it got stopped. Now I'll be clicking the cast screen and I'll be clicking on my TV name again. So as soon as I do that, see here, wirelessly you can easily cast. This will 100% work. What if you don't find this trick working? What you can do is you can go to your, okay, first let me stop this ones. I'll be stopping this ones, and on your TV, on your Play Store, I'm just using my Android mobile as a TV remote for this TV. If you want this tutorial, find that in the description too. Open Play Store, and remember this is the Thomson Google TV. That's the reason it is directly working. For by any chance if you don't have this one, try to install this Google Cast. There is an app called Google Cast. You need to just go to the Play Store and just search for this Google Cast. Okay, if it is not installed, that's the reason it is not working for you. This casting is not working for you wirelessly from laptop to your this one TV. Yeah, see here, once you search the Google Cast here, you need to just install this. Currently this Google Cast is already installed on my TV. That's the reason it is working properly. If it is not installed, you need to install this Google Cast app. Once you install this, now coming back, just I'll be pressing on cast the screen. See here, everything will be casted. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Because when I press on this Windows key plus K here, Windows key plus K, it is not showing me available device as my TV name. That's the reason I have to approach this Chrome method. And please do comment for how many people this Chromecast using the mirror casting with Chrome worked for you. If it is worked, please share your feedback that it has worked for you, so that it will be useful for many people. And this is wirelessly, so definitely I think this tutorial would be helpful to you. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah.